Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you my top 10 favorite IKEA organizational products that I use on a daily basis. They are all around my place. So we're going to take a little field trip and I'm going to show you guys how I use them. So if that's something that you're interested in, keep watching. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Wayna and I make rental-friendly home decor videos. So guys, you know how I do. If you like this video, like this video. Let's get into it. All right, so before we jump into this video, I just want to let you guys know that I am not about to be trying to figure out how to pronounce these Swedish words. So I will just flash them on the screen and they will be down in the description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing them. But they have some amazing items that I think you need. So the first item that I want to show you guys are these boxes. And I use them for storage. I use them in my pantry. I use them all over. But this particular box here is pretty big. It has a hole on this side and it does come with a lid and they are stackable. So I really like that. And they have different sizes. I have one that's very deep like this one. And then I also have one that's a little shallow, but it still is the same size. Matter of fact, I'll grab it. And this is the other size. So like I said, they're very similar, but just different heights. And you can stack them like this. This one does not have a hole though. This one does, this one doesn't. Okay, so what do I use these boxes for? I use these boxes for memorabilia. So all of my photos are in here and they're kind of categorized on how, when I took them, where I took them, things like that. And then I like to keep cards as well. Here's a tip, because over the years as you get older, you're gonna get a lot of cards. And I actually went through them, and what I did was the people who wrote on those cards, like actually wrote a personalized message, I kept those cards. But people who just gave me a card and signed their name, I didn't keep it because it was just way too many. But I always like to keep messages that people wrote because I think that's pretty special. So that is my picture box. Moving on to the next item is similar to what I just showed you in the picture box. So in the picture box, I like to separate my pictures using those little interlocking grids, but I actually use something similar in my drawer. In my drawer, I like to use these little dividers, and I have had these for over 10 years. This was like one of my first IKEA purchases. And what I like about these are the fact that you can unzip it and just flatten it down nice and easy. But if you want to use it and pop it up and zip it down, it creates a box. So I like to use these in my drawers to section out my clothes, my handbags, stuff like that. And these are actually from the Compliment collection. So I really like these a lot. These come in white as well as black, and they are very sturdy. You can hold on to this for a while. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so I want to show you guys where I keep majority of my fragrances. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. But I like to keep a lot of my wallflowers in this really neat and compact IKEA acrylic system. Okay guys, so this is one of my other favorite little IKEA organizational acrylic pieces. And like I said, I like it because if you are trying to store your nail polishes, your wallflowers, anything that you have a bunch of and you just want it to be in a nice tray, this is simple, it's fairly priced, and it works. Don't judge me. I have like 2 more of these acrylic things filled with wallflowers and candles and all kind of other stuff. Let me know if you guys want to see a tour, and if you guys give this video a thumbs up and say tour in the comment section, then I'll do that video next. And I'll share it with you guys if you want. So let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so the next thing that I love to use in IKEA are these really cute little white boxes. I'm able to keep everything organized and corralled all in one box. And then if anything was to spill out, then I can just take everything out, wipe it down, and then put it back with no problem. These are very, very, very affordable. And I think they just look so nice and so clean. I mean, they're nice and white and simple, and they have handles, so you can just pick it up and take it back where you need to and pull it out when you need to, and it just works. I like it. And they also come in smaller sizes too. I like to keep all of the different type of nuts in here, and I like to clip on little things like this. I got these from the Dollar Tree. I use these for my chip bags. But yeah, I like these. You should buy these. I'll have it linked in the description box below. All right, so the next little cool organizational piece that I really like is this little bad baby right here. And what I love about this is that you can actually use this for multiple things. I've seen people use it for makeup storage. They put their sandals in here, but I like to use it for what it's actually made for, and that's to corral all of the lids for your pots and pans. When you get it, it is just kind of closed down like this. So it comes very compact, and the legs on here can be unscrewed. So it's really, really nice, but again, it allows me to corral all of the tops of my pots and pans very neatly. And because I have them standing up instead of laying down, one, I can get to them easier. Two, they don't take up as much space, and it just makes life a lot easier. So yeah, I like these right here. Just set your pots, your pot tops in them, and voila, perfect, 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 perfect. Can't go wrong. So yeah, what will you use these for? That's the question. Okay, so the next really cool storage box that I like is this one right here. And I think this is the Samla collection, but I really like these boxes because I'm able to store a lot in them. They're very tall. I don't know if you can tell. That is very unorganized. So I like these because, like I said, you can store lots of things in them. Being that I am very natural, I have products for a lot of different types of hair, you know, and so this is my natural girl box, okay? Yes, this is all for natural hair. And so, like this Gorilla Snot, right? It's very tall. So what I found is majority of the boxes that I would try to purchase were too short, and so the tops would kind of be sticking up, and I wasn't able to store everything like I wanted to. So once I purchased this, I didn't have that problem anymore. So things fit nice and neat. So I'm just gonna organize this real quick. And you know, ever since these boys like to grow their hair out and twist it out like Travis Scott, you can't keep your natural hair products to yourself. I mean, am I the only person dealing with that? These teenagers and this Travis Scott hair. All right, so just like that, it's organized again, and just slide it right underneath the cabinet, and voila, everything has its home. Everything is neat and orderly and just the way I like it. Okay, so when it comes to organizing your papers, you have to get a system. If not, you will have stuff everywhere, okay? So what I like to use are these boxes from Ikea. They are very, very, very inexpensive. They're pretty much just cardboard boxes, but they keep your stuff organized, and they look very polished and just very simple, you know, not doing too much, but they get the job done. So I like to keep a lot of my papers in here, and then I like to keep a lot of my papers in these little magazine kind of holders. You can organize this any way that you want. Label it if you want, buy a label maker, make it prettier. I have seen people actually have metal name labels on here that makes it look a little bit more high-end, especially with the matte black. Might even try that myself, but it just does the job. It gets all your papers into one area. You can organize them, and even if they're not organized, nobody has to know, okay? How will they know? How will they know? And also, I like to keep all of my papers in a vertical bookcase. Very simple, but effective. I'm not using a bunch of surface space. I'm not using a bunch of space in the room. I just have one little corner that's tucked away that has a very tall bookshelf, and it's supplying all of my organizational needs for all my paper. Just make it simple, guys. Make it simple. Okay, now I want to share with you guys what I use in my bathroom to stay organized, because you guys have seen my bathroom. You have been all up in my bathroom. You saw me transform it. You saw me clean it. You've seen all of those things. So I want to share with you some of my favorite IKEA organizational pieces that I keep in the bathroom as well. But I really like this set from IKEA because I love acrylic, but not just because I love acrylic, but because it is very easy to clean. It houses a lot of different things. You can open it very easily. You can see what's in it. And I've used these things for 3-4 years now. They're stackable. And if you are like me and you just like to move things around a lot, give things new homes, then this allows you to do that. So in this one here, I like to keep my used beauty blenders that I need to wash. Yes, I need to wash these, but I like to keep them in here. And then I keep Q-tips and cotton balls in this one sometimes. And then right now I'm using this one for all of my makeup brushes that I'm not currently using. And like I said, it makes things just so easy because I know what's in it, so I don't forget what I have. And I'm not out here buying more makeup brushes. So that is one item that I use in my bathroom. The next item that I use in my bathroom, you guys have probably seen before. This item here is probably one of my favorite because it's so versatile. You can use this in the bathroom like I do. I have used this with the rail that it comes with. I want to say this is pronounced the Sinesta rail, but I've used this with the Sinesta rail. I've used it with other racks and rails that I found to kind of create my own little organizational system. But this is very, very, very inexpensive. The price will be linked down below if you guys want to know. But I like this because you can use it in craft rooms. You can use it in a kitchen if you wanted to put your rail up and then attach a bunch of these. I've seen it used in kitchens to hold, you know, your utensils, your silverware, your spices, anything. But this is so cool to me. It just has like a little latch, and voila, you get storage on the wall. Who doesn't want that? So, oh, you can put diapers in here. You can do a lot of stuff in here, but I really like these two items for the bathroom because they just make things so much easier to find and to store. So yes, those are some of the things that I like from IKEA. So this is the first part of the IKEA organizational series that I'm gonna be doing. And if you guys like this video, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up. That's the only way that I know if you like videos like this, where I'm taking you kind of through and showing you how I organize and what I use and stuff like that. So definitely give this video up if you like these videos. But the next thing that I need to tell you guys is, if you're not a member of Luxe Rental Academy, then consider subscribing and consider joining the membership, because if you guys want to see what I do to make things organized, functional, attractive, how to make a room just go from bad to bougie without actually being a designer and get it done every time, learn my system, guys. I'm telling you, it makes things so simple. All I do is follow the same steps every time, and I usually get a good outcome. I always get a good outcome. Not bragging, just saying. So if you guys are interested in becoming a member, then definitely click the description box below, because time is running out. The doors to the membership is going to close on April 16th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I don't want you guys to miss out, because by then you guys are going to be wanting to get your rooms together and want my help, and doors will be closed, and then you have to wait until the doors open again for re-enrollment. So definitely jump in, join the fam, so that I can teach you guys everything that I know, so you can be making your place a home, or you can be making a living decorating for other people like I do. We can all win, sis. We can all win. So as always, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget, be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget. And I will see you guys on my next upload. Bye, guys.